Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can delete your account on your Grindr. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Grindr application on your mobile device, and finally once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen, and finally once you have done that, tap on settings down here. And now over here, as you can see, if you scroll all the way down, there is going to be a deactivate your account button, which is right over here, as you can see. So if you tap there, and then if you simply go ahead and tap on delete account down here, it's gonna ask you why do you want to delete your account, and I'm gonna just do I am unhappy with my experience, and I'm gonna do no thanks. And then it will say log out instead, but I'm gonna go ahead and delete by tapping on delete. And you'll have to go ahead and enter back your email in order for you to go ahead and delete your account. So go ahead and do that and simply tap on delete account. And there you go. Congratulations, you have successfully deleted your Grindr account. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to make next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.